Oh, you got a beautiful heartbeat. Beautiful heartbeat, beautiful heartbeat. Oh, you got a beautiful heartbeat. Look, see, she was about 5'7", brown skin, straight 10. The baddest in the city and the finest of her friends. Baby girl is fine, I ain't talking emotion. I let her ride the ride, baby girl roller coasting. It's over, gotta let the side chicks go. She rides my highs every time I feel low.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bianca here with another video. So today guys, I'm gonna be showing how to make my famous peanut butter pancakes. If you guys watched my first vlog. Also guys, please remember, don't touch your face, it's not safe. Oh yeah, so now I have to hurry up. I'm gonna go home and make some pancakes, peanut butter pancakes to be exact. And then after that, I'm gonna head to this stupid meeting that I have to go to. After I did my audition, trust me you guys, you're gonna love them. It's a perfect treat to have. You're gonna wanna make this every day, as I did after one intoxicated night. You know, I want breakfast food, or maybe I only had pancakes in the house. I think that's what it was, because I needed to go grocery shopping. And I wanted peanut butter. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna put this together. And the day I did that, it changed my life. You're gonna wanna give this to your kids. You're gonna wanna eat it every morning, I promise you, after this. So stay tuned to see how I make those beautiful golden brown peanut butter pancakes. So I'm just gonna start you guys off. This is my favorite meal of the day, breakfast. You're gonna need pancake mix. You can use any kind of pancake mix that you like. I prefer Aunt Jemima, because who doesn't love Aunt Jemima? But you guys can use whatever kind of pancake mix that you want. Obviously, I'm not being sponsored by Aunt Jemima, so that's enough. But we do love her. I need peanut butter. Specifically, I like Skippy's. I like the crunchy kind. Once again, they're not sponsoring us, so until we get a sponsor, you guys can use any peanut butter that you would like. I prefer crunchy because it just tastes so good. It has like the little peanuts in it, like, oh, it's amazing. I love it so much. Obviously, you'll need a skillet or a pan, a spatula, a spoon, and like a little bowl to mix it up with. So come a little closer. I'm totally sorry that I'm talking like a crackhead. Oh, also we need butter. We need butter. What am I doing? I use any kind of butter, honestly. I be getting that from the dollar store. It's literally the same butter and it only costs $1. I actually like to just get the heat started on the stove so that it can just be ready. Most of the time I'm usually doing this in a rush. So surface is hot and we can get going as soon as I'm done whipping up this stuff, which guys, honestly, this takes probably maybe 10 minutes max. So it's the quickest thing ever. Why would you not want to do it? Oh, what I usually do is just get the Aunt Jemima powder and then I pour it into the bowl. I never really measure it. I guess I would say almost half a cup. It might get a little bit messy. I think that was too much. And then I add some peanut butter. That I use about at least 1.5 scoops. And I know I'm so bad with measurements. Put enough water in there, so maybe maybe not even a half a cup of water, and I stir it until it is got that whip appeal. So I put a lot of water in mine actually. Careful. I'm one of those people who like to clean as I go. Since I'm not using the peanut butter or the pancake mix anymore, I'm gonna put that away. It's less work for me to have to worry about when I'm done. I just want to enjoy my food. I don't want to have to worry about washing dishes and shit like that. Here's our skillet. I'm gonna put butter on it now and it should be sizzling. Just work the butter around. This is how I measure when to flip a pancake. I wait until literally the bubbles start popping up. I want to say that we're done. Like I said, I cleaned up everything. The dishes are all washed. Here are my perfect golden peanut butter pancakes. If you guys want, you can add syrup to it. You really don't have to. I already ate one because I had to taste it. But you really don't need it because you can see there's peanuts in it. It literally tastes like a big ass peanut butter cookie. I mean, I put syrup on it, but when I do, I put very little. Oh, with my pancakes, guys, I love to enjoy a cup of hot tea. It's my favorite. I drink green tea whenever I'm eating breakfast or in the morning in general because for one, it just soothes your body. It's kind of like weed. It makes you feel very calm and soothed and warm. It's something I've been doing for years now. I drink green tea every morning. So guys, now that we're done making our peanut butter pancakes, I do hope that this was helpful to you. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends if you think it was helpful or if you like it. In the quarantine, I'm sure you have nothing else better to do besides probably watch your kids, go to work on Zoom. But before that, you can start your day off with a little treat. Peanut butter pancakes. From me to you, special gift. Bye guys, see you with my next video.
She boosts my pride every time it seems to go. Oh my God, what a prize, let us behold. She the queen of all queens, that's how it seems. Every time she in the room, she don't blink. She gotta keep a goal focus, one thing you don't notice. You my flavor, now come and pour it all on me, baby. I enjoy happiness, I enjoy happiness, and I enjoy love, and I enjoy. Just give me your flavor. See, I enjoy everything, and I enjoy life.